So now let's talk about the process and the mechanism for doing your own event. And here is going to be a conversation. I'm going to add a little bit of AI conversation in here as well. And if you have not been starting to use your advanced artificial intelligence systems, this is perfect use for it. So let's say that you want to do an event and you want to figure out what's popular now. One of the old school ways we would do is a keyword search. What's everyone looking for by keyword searching? And then you'll have a keyword search style engine that will report to something, or you get what they used to call a crawler, and that's just like something going through the internet and looking for different words and stuff like that, and then you get an actual thing coming back to you with a report that says these are the keywords that are most popular at this time. And then that just means those are people that are looking for solutions for the actual keyword search. So now if you were going to use a keyword search, then that keyword search itself is going to say to the search engine, I need to know this answer right now. So same thing with your events. If you're going to use the event thing, then keyword search, gonna write down the whatever popular term it is. For me, when I was starting to do my consulting business and writing my course, I just looked up safety consultant. I wanted to see how many people were using that term safety consultant in the search. And it came back that, a bunch of people. So I literally made my book, How to Start a Profitable Safety Consultant Business, in 7 steps. And honestly, with that, it came from a keyword search. So when I knew that people were looking for that, that was a way for me to gain that readership, if you would, or that audience. So first thing, what's the solution that you have for the current problem? So you have to do some sort of AI search to figure out what's your current problem. Nowadays, instead of just doing keyword search, you have ChatGPT, you have Claude, you have Gemini, you have all these other AI services that you could use to help you kind of narrow down what are some of the things that people in my field, and for me, it's environmental health and safety. So what is the EHS tools that people need right now? What's the EHS discipline that people need right now? And I'm going to put together an event to help make sure that those people get what they need. Another thing that will help you, so another thought on what you can do is your regulatory agencies. No matter what country you're in, you have regulatory agencies, or you should have regulatory agencies that are going to be regulating environmental health and safety. So look at their meeting minutes. Look at their, for the US, we have the regulatory agenda, or unified agenda for OSHA, EPA as well, DOT, all those agencies, MSHA, the Mining Safety and Health Association, Administration, excuse me. Just kind of look to see what's coming up. What are some of the things that are open right now for open comment period? What's people talking about in your association meetings, things like that. Those are the solutions. If you have the discipline to solve a problem and it worked for you, make that an event. And that's going to be something that you could use to honestly promote yourself, get yourself in a position of authority with your group. And that's also going to help you in the long run when it's time for consulting and trying to get yourself into the door of a consultancy for somebody. They would have taken your event or been a participant of your event, and then afterwards with the Q&A or whatever, or if you provide them a way of actually reaching out to you, then you could use that. And honestly, use that for you to continue the conversation later on. So those are the things that you'll, they call that a sales funnel, if you would. And starting at the top like a regular funnel, and it kind of goes down to a tapered bottom. and the tapered bottom is leading you to the key service you want to provide. And if that's consulting, your event will get more people in the top of that funnel. So the more people you have at the event, the more opportunities you have to serve them as a consultant. So your events is going to end up being the top of the funnel for you. So if you're thinking a sales funnel, why not do your own events?